pounds, 3 ounces. So if he was to win by 12 pounds,
yes! Yes, sir. Oh, yes. That fish right there is going to be key. Yes. That fish is going to be key right there. These Grand Lake fish aren't long, but they are chunky. Oh, thank you, Jesus. That's gonna help. $330. Getting rid of a 180.
3 1/4 for him.
Yeah, $330.
It's about a pound and a half upgrade.
He's over 16 pounds. He's got about a 14
That last
pound
fish was a
lead.
330, not a 380. Just FYI.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, man. Uh-huh.
Dalton tumbling, getting the photos out there, and what a great angler to be. Watch this, Tommy.
Oh, this catch, watch.
Just demolishes it.
Got mugged on the way back to the boat.
That's exactly the way you want them to bite a Whopper Plopper. When they come up with that much fury, you don't want them nipping at it or slapping at it. Like when they come up to destroy it like that, it is one of the best bites you can have, and it's the best